Hello there, welcome back. So Google is set to be expanding its product lineup with a new Pixel Watch. Several reports say the Google Pixel Watch will arrive at some point in 2022, and one leak goes as far as saying the exact launch date, and that's May 26th, perhaps during Google I/O 2022. However, this could change in the future as reports suggest that the global chip shortage is going to push the Google Pixel 6a launch back from May to late July, and that the Pixel Watch is going to shift as well to match the same schedule. Now about its features, the watch will have basic fitness tracking features including step counting and heart rate monitoring. There's other evidence that there could be a big focus on fitness, including features like SpO2 tracking, sleep apnea detection, sleep analysis, heartbeat alert, recovery time monitoring, stress tracking, pairing medical devices, gym equipment, rep detection, and calorie tracking. Google is also reportedly working on debuting Fitbit integration in Wear OS with the new watch when it arrives. One of the most interesting things about the watch is the new sensor fusion. A patent was submitted by Google in 2020 with the World Intellectual Property Organization, titled Skin Interface for Wearables, Sensor Fusion to Increase Signal Quality. It will reportedly recognize a defined region of the skin surrounding the wristwatch using an accelerometer in combination with several other sensors. The feature would make it possible for users to swipe through different menus by swiping on their wrist in the area near a smartwatch. If Google is still working on the skin interface, the technology will likely debut with the Pixel Watch. While we are on the subject of patent, there is another patent you should know about. A gesture control system that would allow a smartwatch to detect movements you make with your arm, wrist, or fingers. It's similar to how Apple Watch gesture works. All these patents suggest one thing, that the Google Pixel Watch will eventually have no buttons and would instead rely on gestures to control all of its features. The watch could also feature a power management integrated circuit built into the chipset itself that will allow the watch to listen out for voice commands at all times without draining the battery. So this watch may bring a plethora of new features and change the way we use tech, not just the smartwatch but also in other areas. Rest of the things such as design and specs are already mentioned in our previous Pixel Watch video. If you're interested, then you can check out that right from here. So that is all for now. Thank you for watching, and as always, catch you in the next one.